Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the basics done fast. Update the OS and charge the phone to at least 20%. Once done, remove any case or protector that blocks sensors and make sure you're in good lighting. Now open Settings and go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and choose Reset Face ID. You're starting fresh. This clears problematic data and prepares the sensor for a clean enrollment. Don't skip the reset. It avoids repeated errors later. You'll re-enroll with care. Position your face roughly 10 to 20 inches from the true depth camera and hold steady. Tap Setup Face ID and follow the on-screen prompts, slowly moving your head in a full circle so the system captures edge angles. Repeat for the second scan. If you wear glasses or a hat sometimes, do one scan clean and add an alternate appearance only for very different looks. This ensures the algorithm learns consistent land finish by testing unlock across typical angles and lighting conditions. Try a quick lock and unlock cycle to confirm performance. If Face ID still fails, restart the device and redo the enrollment process. This clears transient software states. Make sure true depth camera area is clean and free of debris. If you see hardware error messages or repeated failures after these steps, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider, because the only remaining fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.